Hey everybody, this is Brian, head tutor from ScoreBeyond, coming at you from ScoreBeyond headquarters in Summery, Menlo Park, California. Let's tackle this SAT reading question. So this question is asking us why the author uses images like green hills and great blue overhead in the first paragraph. Whenever you see in primarily in order to, that phrase there, you can basically ask, okay, why does the author do whatever the question's asking? Let's go to the passage and figure that out. Okay, let's get some context around these highlighted phrases in the first paragraph by reading the rest of the first paragraph. We can see in the first sentence that the author says her spirit swells. And when it does, she likes to roam leisurely among the green hills. So she's using this phrase or this image, green hills, in relation to her spirit swelling. In the second half of that sentence, we see that she is sitting along the Missouri River and marvels at the great blue overhead. So again, she has this powerful spirit swelling experience when looking at the great blue overhead. We can see elsewhere in the first paragraph that she has these profound feelings or experiences in relation to her environment, like when she says, her heart and herself lie small upon the earth like a grain of throbbing sand. Or when she mentions that she's sitting idle by the summer river bank, she grew somewhat. So being out in the environment seems to affect her personally. Okay, let's take a look at the answer choices now using that knowledge of the passage. A, establish a relationship between the author and the nature that surrounds her. Yes, this shows more of that personal connection to her environmental surroundings, so A looks pretty good, but let's eliminate the others and show that they're wrong. B, describe to the reader a day that is characteristic of her home. Not too much mention of her home in the first paragraph, so let's get rid of B. C, explain why she chose to visit her mother on this day. Didn't really talk about her mother, especially with these two phrases, so let's get rid of C. D, emphasize why she enjoys sunny days. Well, it's more than just the sun, especially with that imagery of the green hills, right? So let's get rid of D, and we're left with A, which answers why does the author use images like green hills and great blue overhead. So there you go, SAT reading question of the day. If you'd like extra help on harder reading questions or just questions like this one using imagery in the passage, tap the tutoring button at the bottom of the screen or at the bottom of the blog page that you're on, click on the tutoring banner. You should also keep practicing these SAT questions of the day since we'll have more reading ones just like this one. All right, see you next time.